18 odd months ago we purchased the Te Pari 5-way drafter. Previously we had a 5-way drafter, but we'd only be weighing somewhere around about 350 to 400 lambs an hour. Now with the Te Pari we're doing close to 700 lambs an hour when we're not reading EIDs, and about 600 to 650 when we're doing EID reads. So it's made a massive difference. It's gone from having 2 people needed in the yards to just having a single person, and it's twice as quick. We're here at Lonestar Farms, just out of Mayfield, about 5 k's east of Mayfield. We're on a finishing farm for Lonestar Farms that do the Lumina lambs. Properties owned by Carfields. It's about 500 hectares, of which 400 hectares is irrigated. There's 300 hectares of Lumina mix, which is chicory and clover. And this year we'll probably do 40,000 lambs in 12 months. So they have to be on the Lumina mix of chicory and clover for 35 days. They're all EID'd. We weigh 28 days ready for the 35-day mark, so that we make sure that the lambs are in spec for the eating quality, so make sure they're on chicory for at least 35 days before they go to the works. And it's just about consistency of product. So the chefs, when they get them, know that everything is going to remain consistent. First time I got to have a look at Te Pari was up at the neighbour's farm. He had it all set up there, and I just couldn't get over the difference. How well the sheep flowed through it, how much quieter it was, and I was pretty sold, pretty close to seeing his run. I was like, that could make a big difference here, and it certainly did. When we got it, obviously I pulled the old weigh system out. The Te Pari truck came high ab, lifted it into beside the yards. I set it up probably within, I would say, an hour and a half. It slotted straight into the old gap, which was a blessing. So when we're weighing our 28 days, we get great information that comes. So when we notice that our growth rates are down, it gives us a chance to do something proactive. We can actually draft anything that's losing weight, so we can give them a drench, put them out, look after them a little bit better. It just gives us a whole lot of information that we can manage the farm in a better way. The biggest benefits coming forward, it's all automated, so basically you don't need to stand in front of sheep, so the flow just keeps going. It's very quiet, so the gates open and shut, there's no clanging and battering around, so it just means that everything flows through the yards really, really well. And the speed in which it weighs is just, obviously nearly twice as quick. So it's been a great revelation. So I definitely recommend the 5-way drafter. It's an absolute game changer for us. It's saved us time, labour, and ease. It's just less stress on stock, people. It just makes everything that we do. We spend an awful lot of time in the yards, and it makes it a whole lot more enjoyable than struggling with animals.